Hello all. My name is Surya. This is my sign name. I am an intern at WinVinaya Foundation. WinVinaya Foundation helps persons with disabilities with free training and free placement assistance. We have 3 different courses. 1. BFSI Plus. Banking and Financial Services, Insurance. In this course, these are the subjects taught. Plus stands for. In this course, these are the subjects taught. 2. Software Testing. In this course, these are the subjects taught. 3. Software Development. In this course, these are the subjects taught. Who can join these courses? Graduates who completed their education in 2020 or later can join the course. The duration of the course is for 3 months. Classes are from Monday to Friday. Class timings are from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. What is the mode of training? Physical classes in Bengaluru, Karnataka, or Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, for free. Accommodation will not be provided. If you have any doubts, email us to sourcing@winvinayafoundation.org. Interested candidates can register at this link.